Hey Diamonds, welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be revealing my 5,000 subscriber giveaway winner. As an entrepreneur, you should always give back and help others around you who are in need. So before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. The winner of this giveaway will receive a Rollo printer, Rollo printer paper, and a scale for their business. So I'm just gonna get right into it. The winner of this giveaway is, drum roll please, UniquelyBeautiful on YouTube. Congratulations, you've won the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. The name of her business is Jamequa Cosmetics, and she will be selling lipsticks, eyelashes, and other skincare products. So again, congratulations, you are the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I will be sending your stuff very, very soon. You said that you wanted to start your business June 2020, so I'm going to be sending out your items so that you can receive it before you launch your business. My channel has taught her how to contact and talk to vendors, and it also has taught her to stop overthinking and take the time to plan stuff out. Thank you everyone who entered this giveaway. If you didn't win, don't worry, I'll be having more giveaways like this in the near future. We are already at 5.25k subscribers, so thank you all so much. All the subscribes, all the likes, all the comments, I greatly appreciate those. So stay tuned for more giveaways in the near future. Again, thank you everyone who entered this giveaway. More giveaways coming soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.